Speed of paper airplanes. Our groups researched the speed of paper airplanes. We wondered about if changing the shape of paper airplanes would change the speed. We want to know the fastest paper airplanes and how long this shape would fly. We selected 3 airplanes. Number 1, Barrett. Number 2, Arrow. Number 3, Delta. Fastest, we measure the time of flying for 5 meters. Second, we compare the times.
Result 1. Data. Bullet is 0.55 seconds. Arrow is 0.74 seconds. Delta is 0.94 seconds. It is shows that bullet is fastest of the 3. Result 2. Graph. This graph shows bullet is faster than delta about twice.
The data shows that Barrett was fastest. We think this reason is because it did not disable air resistance. Also, we think airplanes with short body fall quickly. Next, we want to test 3 different airplanes, and we want to know the fastest paper airplane form. Thank you.